You know what I'm upset about today? Healthcare.
So that creator was saying that she pays $500 a month, went to the dentist to get her one of her tooth fixed, and she was quoted $1,900. And I watched that video and I really felt for her. And it sucks to pay so much for dental insurance and still have to pay so much out of pocket. And that is the reason why my family and I actually travel out of the country for dental care. We have had dental care in Colombia, we've had dental care in Turkey, and we've had dental care in Mexico. It was cheaper for us to fly all the way to Colombia, go see a dentist, spend a couple of days, have a vacation, enjoy our time as a family, and come back to the US than it was to get dental care in the US. I think that is absolutely crazy. And that is the reason why we do not pay for dental insurance, because it doesn't cover anything. I remember having to pay for dental insurance and needing my wisdom tooth removed. And when I saw how much they were billing the insurance, and not only did they bill them that, but they also asked me to make a copay. And I'm like, you're already charging them thousands of dollars. You still want me to pay you for? No, I'm sorry, but dental insurance is definitely a scam. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. So having been quoted $1,900, like, it would be cheaper. I'm telling you, she can literally buy a ticket, fly to Mexico or fly to Colombia, go get her teeth done, spend 4 days there, and fly back home for that same cost. So if it was you, what would you do? Would you go spend that money in the US at a dental office after you're already paying $500 a month? Or would you just wait for, like, save that $500 a month, and then if something happened to your tooth, travel, have fun, and then get it done and come back? What would you do? So I don't know. That's what we do, and it works for us, so we don't pay for dental insurance.